Para yung sabay pa yung ano eh. Sabay pa yung ma-indak ng ano.
Some boys kiss me, some poison. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they don't see the light. 'Cause the boys with the covert cash is always Mr. Right. We are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Bakit ayaw mo? Some boys romance, some boys romance, that's alright with me.
Kaya ba ba? Parang may tama mo na eh.
Meron yan.
Wala yan!
May tama na, may tama.
Living in a material world.
Ganta ka na